Hassan? Very good ang Hassan ba? You call Dada? Say, hello Dada, Assalamualaikum. How are you Dada? Kya hal hai? Kya hal hai Dada? Are you okay? Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Say, how are you? How are you, Chachi, Chachu? Huh? Chachi Ruchana, where is my Pakistani outfit? Chachi will send your dress, huh? Hello. Chachi love Hassan. Dada said, Dada want to meet Hassan. Dada want to see Hassan. Dada want to hug Hassan. You go home in Pakistan. They want to see you na? Huh? They want to see you? You want to go home in Pakistan? Huh? Or you stay here with Mama and Baba? Hassan boy. Busy. Ya Galbi, Ya Umri, Habibi, Hassan boy. You want to go to Baba? Baba go work. Baba go work. You wait him again. You play again with Baba. You want to play with Baba? You're happy to play with Baba?